Oh, there we go. There we go. Right there. Look at that rainbow. What a beaut. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another High Prairie Kitchen. So a few weeks ago, we caught some trout. Now we're gonna cook them up. This is a very simple recipe. This is probably one of the simplest recipes there is for wild game, and this is my favorite way to eat trout. Let's do it. Okay, so we got making 2 trout today. So all we're doing, we just got some aluminum foil here. We're gonna oil them up real quick so the trout doesn't stick to them. Just a little bit of olive oil cooking spray. Just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so here's the trout. All I did to clean them is I just cut right up here and I just pulled all the guts and innards and stuff out. There's a black strip here. You want to make sure you get all that out, including down in here. It gets a little tough to clean out down here, but you just scrape your knife and you can get all of that out. And that's literally all you got to do to skin a trout. You know, you pull the gills and everything out and they're ready to cook. Well, almost ready to cook. So first off, I'm gonna use some olive oil. You can use vegetable oil too, or any other oil, and just put a little, just a little dab on there. Get a little oil on them. And it don't matter if you get it on the inside and outside. There we go. So we got oil on them. Next, we're going to use lemon pepper, and you can sprinkle it on the outside. And then I like to sprinkle it on the inside too. Kind of get the meat seasoned from both sides. There we go. And we'll flip them over even and season them. And I'm out of lemon pepper, so. All right, there we go. And the final ingredient, Lawry's. And you just put a little bit on. There we go. A little bit in there. All right. Now you can also add like lemon. You can cut up a lemon and put it in there, or put lemon juice on them or something. But this is, this is supposed to be more simple, for more like a camping. Like you just catch them out of a stream and you cook them. That's the idea behind this recipe. So then, all you do is you take the aluminum foil, you bend it over, so, and like so, and that one's ready for the grill. Alright, and there's our 2 trout ready for the grill. Now we'll just put them on the grill and we'll wait a few minutes and they'll be done. Alright, so they've been on just a few minutes. We'll see how they look. And there's one really easy way to tell if trout are done when you're grilling them. And that's, you want the pupils to look like that. If the pupils are white, the trout's done. Alright, so the trout are done. There they are. Now it's time for the best part of any cooking video, the taste test. So you can eat the skin on these, but what you really want is that flaky white meat. It just comes off really easily. That is really good. That is really good fish. The only thing with this recipe is the trout have a lot of little bones, so you do have to watch those little bones. But other than that, this is a really, really quick and easy recipe. As you saw, it took me maybe 15 minutes to cook this. So super easy. Literally the hardest part about this recipe is catching the trout. So this is probably the easiest way to make fish, in particular trout. I haven't tried this with any other fish, but this is how I've always prepared trout, and I just love it. It's so easy and very tasty. As you saw, it takes literally less than 15 minutes to make. That's all I have for you guys today though. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up down below. Drop a comment letting me know what your thoughts were. Maybe you have an awesome trout recipe that I haven't heard of yet. I would love to hear from you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time, guys. See ya.